Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of South African numismatics, exploring two rare coins that have caught the attention of collectors worldwide. In this video, we'll be discussing the 1 Rand coin from 2010 and the 2 Rand coin from 1990, both of which hold significant historical and monetary value. Let's start with the 1 Rand coin from 2010, minted to commemorate the 20th anniversary of Nelson Mandela's release from prison. This coin features a portrait of Mandela on the obverse side with the South African national coat of arms on the reverse. What makes this coin particularly rare is its low mintage, making it highly sought after by collectors. Next up, we have the 2 Rand coin from 1990. This coin was minted during a pivotal time in South Africa's history, just as the country was transitioning away from apartheid. It features an image of a springbok, a symbol of South Africa, on the obverse side with the country's coat of arms on the reverse. Like the 1 Rand coin, the 2 Rand from 1990 is also considered rare due to its limited mintage. Now let's talk about their market value. While these coins may have originally been circulated as pocket change, their rarity and historical significance have made them valuable assets for collectors. As of the making of this video, the 1 Rand coin from 2010 is valued at approximately $350 to $500 USD in good condition, while the 2 Rand coin from 1990 can fetch anywhere from $750 to $1050 US. In conclusion, both the 1 Rand coin from 2010 and the 2 Rand coin from 1990 are rare treasures that offer a glimpse into South Africa's rich history and cultural heritage. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, adding these coins to your collection is sure to be a wise investment. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy collecting.